Okay, here's an example of some exercises you can do with the Pilates ring. Here we are using the biceps and chest to press and press. And then on the inside of the ring, you can actually thread those hands through, and then you're going to press outward, and that gets the very, very top part of the shoulder, those little tiny muscles that are in the shoulders. You will definitely feel with that exercise. And then on the right and left hip, you can press in towards the center line of the body. That's going to get the underarm area and also the lats. So that is a great exercise there to address underneath the arm area. Okay, starting with a deltoid exercise. Keep the elbows tucked in. You're going to pull on the strap and you will feel the top part of the shoulders activating. This next exercise is actually a tricep exercise. So you're going to be working the back of the arm. So on one end of the strap, you're anchoring one hand, the other hand is going up towards the ceiling. And you want to make sure that your elbow is pointed directly up towards the ceiling as well. That's where you will feel the back of the arm activate the most. And then this next exercise, you can be seated. You are going to cross the strap, and then you're going to pull back, squeezing the shoulder blades, and that will open up the chest and then also work the top of the shoulder in addition to the back. At the end, go ahead and just give yourself a nice stretch up and back, not too far, and hold those ribs in. And then you are all